Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we simplify tech for your workflows. Today, we're diving into N8N and Flowise, two powerful tools for automation and AI workflows. If you're deciding between them, first up, N8N. It's an open source automation platform ideal for connecting APIs, automating repetitive tasks, and integrating tools like Slack, Google Sheets, or CRMs. With a visual node-based editor, you can create complex workflows without writing much code or any at all. N8N shines when you need flexibility and scalability. It works well for handling data pipelines, API calls, and even advanced webhook integrations. Plus, you can self-host for full control. On the other hand, Flowise specializes in AI workflows. Think of it as a streamlined way to build, customize, and deploy AI models like GPT or LangChain. It's all about making AI application accessible without needing to write tons of code. Flowise is perfect for creating chatbots, NLP tools, or even fine-tuning AI models. It focuses heavily on AI, making it a go-to for developers who want to integrate smart tools into their workflows. So, which one's for you? Choose N8N if you're automating diverse tasks and integrating multiple apps. Pick Flowise if AI workflows are your top priority. Got a question about these tools? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.